Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the lower button to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the system, and here select the option called language. Now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. And when I open the menu now, the language should be changed, as you can see. You can also change the language via the phone app if your watch is paired with your phone. So let's move our watch, bring our phone right here, open the Garmin Connect app on our phone. In the app, we need to open the device page for our Garmin Connect, or rather Garmin Vivoactive. So let's tap on this icon right here. You should have the icon of the watch right here. Tap on it to open the device page. On this page, scroll down and tap on the general option. Here, scroll down and at the bottom you have language. Tap on it. Select the language you like to use from the list. Then go back to the device page. Oh, my bad, device page. It should say that the settings were saved. And after it does, the devices should start syncing. And after the devices are done syncing, the language should change. If the devices are not syncing, you can tap on the icon right here to force the sync. Like this. And after it's done, after the icon is not moving anymore, that means that the syncing is done, and you can open the menu, and as you can see, the language changed back to English. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.